If you've ever felt a lump in your breast, you know how agonizing it can be waiting for news that could change your life forever. At the Margie Peterson Breast Center at St. John's Health Center, we believe no woman should have to wait to find out if she has cancer. That's why we guarantee appointments within 24 hours. And unlike most hospitals, our radiologists are on staff. So you get your mammogram results the same day and biopsy results within 48 hours, increasing your chances of a better outcome. Our elite team of surgeons, pathologists, and radiation oncologists work together under one roof to make your peace of mind our priority. We're the only breast center with this level of patient-focused, personalized care, because the less time you spend waiting, the faster you can get back to your life. The Margie Peterson Breast Center. One more reason why women love St. John's.
St. John's Health Center. Breakthrough medicine. Inspired healing. For more information, please call 1-800-ST. John's. 1-800-STJOHNS.